G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini pavlova. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, put in 4 egg whites. This is so you can make a bunch of these, but just use one if you just want to have a small amount. Now beat this until soft peaks form. Now get a cup of sugar and we want to gradually beat this in. Now get a tablespoon of cornflour. Just put that straight in there. And a teaspoon of white vinegar. And now just fold all that through. I could dip my face in this right now. Now just get some ramekins or something that you can put in the microwave. Get the mixture and just pop it in each one. Now you want to turn your oven on to 120 degrees Celsius, which is about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to bake these for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now, those are ready. Just leave this door open just a little bit ajar. Leave it in there to cool for about an hour. Now just whip some cream. I didn't show you because I figure you know how to whip cream. Just get some, I don't know, whatever fruits. I'm just choosing some raspberries. You can have frozen or fresh. Up to you. Sometimes the fresh ones aren't that easy to get depending on the season. You can put some other stuff in, some mango, kiwi fruit, whatever. I'm just putting the raspberries in. And I'll just put the cream on the top. Well, I hope you like this. Just a mini pav. You can have more, as I said earlier, you can have more on here. Some kiwi fruit, mango, whatever, strawberries, just go to town on it. I just put one in, just because I felt like it. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.